What's up, y'all? I'm back at it again today here in Destin, and I'm gonna be doing another product review and testing it out. We've got another SANDSHARK anchor today. Now this one's the heavy duty SANDSHARK anchor. It's the Super Sport. Here's the Super Sport. Now this thing is pretty big, but can still fit inside your Seadoo compartment. It fit inside my GTX yesterday and I wanted to test it out. It collapses to 29 inches and expands to 48 inches, but it still fit inside my Seadoo compartment and I was able to take it. Now, as you can see, the handles go up and then you would just put them back down. Let's see how it looks expanded. I have to step back so you can see how big this is. Oh, keep on going. It just kept on going. Oh, on and on and on. But look how, make sure I don't fall off, but look how tall this is. 48 inches, 4 feet. This thing also comes with a bag. See right here? It comes with a padded bag that you could carry around with you easily and throw it in your boat, your pontoon, or your jet ski. Now, today we're gonna test it out. It says that this is made for shallow water, beaches, sandbars. So we're gonna be challenging this SANDSHARK anchor. It's supposed to be super duty. It's the Super Sport. And you see this boat? Well, anchoring this boat to this anchor. And we're gonna try to attach some jet skis to it. Alright guys, so we have it hooked up right now. There's a lot of us out here. I got skis hooked up to this anchor right here, and the boat right here.